Hello everyone, this is Victor for PMD Interactive. Let's take a look at the latest and greatest social network on the block, and it's Peach. This is the Peach social network. At the moment, it's only available for iOS devices, but eventually it'll branch out. So if you're an Android user, you might as well learn how to use Peach once it's available for your Android device. Let's check it out from beginning to end. So I'm going to launch Peach for the first time. Sign up, or you already have an account. I have an account, of course, but I'll go through the sign-up process. It's pretty easy. So I'm going to go through sign up. It'll ask for a username, and right now it's the Wild West. It's brand new, so I'm just going to make a brand new test. User 998. Email, yeah, here's my email, and my password, something. Alright, so I'm going to create an account. Lets me do it right away. It wants a picture and a full name. We can skip these, so I'll skip that for the moment, and I'll simply be that test user account with a generic picture. So we get this very simple screen. It's sort of like a mixture of very basic Twitter and Slack. So this tutorial that starts you off is pretty good. This is your space. Posting to it is a lot like texting. Try saying hello. So this is our space. I'm just simply going to text hello world. Can use emoji, of course. So I posted some plain old text. Then it says, hi, now try posting a photo. Okay, well I've got the photo app right here. I can take a photo like this. There's some other icons at the bottom there you might have seen. I'll get back to those. And I can add text or simply post it. So lovely. Now let's get a little more magical. Type GIF, then tap the button that shows up between the camera and the checkmark button to search for a GIF. So this has a built-in GIF search, and the way you access it is by a magic word. So as I type GIF, it says here, okay, search for GIF. Let's search for a cat. There might be one or so cat GIFs out there. So I'm going to search, and I get that. Alright, this one looks good. Again, I can add some text below it. Simply post it. So now my space here has some text, a picture, a GIF. It's telling me cool, right? We call that a magic word. Magic words activate all sorts of features that give you fun and interesting things to post to your space. Try the draw magic word. Alright, so if I go here, start typing draw something. This is my favorite aspect of Peach so far, just because, you know, I like to sketch and stuff. And so there we go. I can sketch, add text or more content, or simply post it. Okay, one more for now. Your choice. I can use the TV magic word, the move magic word, or the here tag. So let's try TV. What's on? I'm going to do a search. Everyone's favorite, Walking Dead. It sees The Walking Dead. Fear the Walking Dead. I'll attach The Walking Dead. So simply, I'm watching The Walking Dead. Wow, I have a great feeling about you and your space. I'll let you explore Peach on your own for now. P.S. If you invite some friends, you'll be able to see each other's spaces. So again, this is not just a one broadcast sort of platform. We need friends, we need connections. This has an add friend feature, which just swipes us over here, as if I went back up there. And we've got tell a friend, add friend, find friends. Well, let's say you have people that you know on Peach, you want to connect with them. Add friend, simply type in their username. Let me give you a few examples to get started off with. So me, Victor, I'm on Peach, on VM Campos, click add. It'll say friend request sent. You'll be able to see each other's spaces once your friend request is accepted. So I have to go to my account and then accept it. And it says there it's waiting. Here's another one you can add, of course. PMD Interactive. Notice it is no spaces, just like a Twitter account. PMD Interactive. It's been sent over to the company account, and we'll add you as a connection on that soon enough. You've also got Assemble Your Squad. Your friend's spaces will show up here once we find a friend, and it asks for a phone number. If you want to set this up via phone number, then you'll be able to add friends that way. I won't do it just yet. Back to my space here. Okay, what else can I post? This is pretty cool. Let me show you here. Let's say you're running out of ideas. You click the little light bulb down here, and it prompts you. Name an artist you love. What's your favorite smell? What's cliche about you, etc. I like this one. Name an artist you love. I'm going to answer an artist I love. So many good ones. Let's do Dali and post. That's simply something to get your thoughts flowing about something to post. Notice there you can get hearts for your content. Obviously don't heart your own stuff, that's gauche. You can then also have that little share button there, but basically what it does is it allows you to share or delete. So if you see someone else's content, you can click share to share it on your own space. You can delete it, of course. Let's go back to the camera. This is pretty cool. You can, of course, flip it over to do the selfie, like that. Notice there's a magic word, add current time. Oh, sure, let me attach that. So I've attached a time, I've uploaded a photo. Let's look at more camera stuff. This is cool. How about an animated GIF? People love those. So if you tap this little infinity symbol, you'll be able to do an animated GIF when you hold down the central camera shutter. Attach text to that as well. And so now I've uploaded an animated GIF. Alright, now we've seen that in other networks. But let me show you this one. I found something here on Peach that is different from the others. So go back to the camera, and I'm going to press this little 4-box grid. I'm going to turn that on, and what it does is it also activates, by default, the animated GIF feature. So I can use this without animation or with animation. I think it's much more fun with animation. Watch this. I'm going to shoot an animated GIF right here of my keyboard. Result of that is a 4-quadrant animated GIF. Wow, I haven't seen that on the other networks. I'm not sure if hashtags work at the moment, but let me add one. Notice there's no search. There isn't a search feature yet to find content. You sort of have to know someone and connect with them to get the most out of Peach. There isn't a sort of discovery aspect at the moment. But look at this. That's gonna be cool. A 4-quadrant animated GIF. If I didn't choose to animate it, I could turn that off. Let's do here. I've got a 4-quadrant still photo. All right. So the other things that you can do are those magic words. Well, how do you know the magic words? They've got a little bit hidden right over here under the settings. You see a little gear on the top right corner. I open that up. Here's the usual options: change profile picture, change your name, your username, profile visibility. Very briefly looking there. There's basically only public or private. So friends of friends is basically public, and only friends is basically private. So what I was going to get at was, if I go back to the settings at the top right and I go into help and more, this takes me through some very basic help showing that this latest version of Peach is from January 7th. So again, the newest kid on the block of social media. Skipping down here, magic words. Magic words give you fun things to post to your space. Start typing a magic word, then tap the bubble that appears to activate it. And here's the ones that are currently supported. So taking a quick look, there's GIF to search for animated GIFs, adding location with here, shout, say something in big words. Let me try that one. So I go back to type something and I activate the keyword shout, the magic word, big words. That simply works like this. And it's rather basic, although it reminds me a bit of the Snapchat text ability. You can't exactly reposition your text. Right now I'm currently tapping and dragging and I cannot reposition the text. I have background color picker, or simply black text, black and white that is, or color text. Let's say go with that. Done. Post. So now I've got this big text block. What else do we have? Back to help and more. Draw, as I said, that's my favorite one. You can wish someone good morning, good night. Identify a song with your phone's microphone. So I'm not going to quite test that one. I don't have any music playing. I can give out a rating, so just toss out some ratings. battery charge, what's the weather like, add my movements, check my calendar for today, roll the dice, a movie, TV show, video game, book, and such. Let's see, for fun, I'm going to roll the dice. That. Then roll the dice. Ooh, I got 2 even numbers, so let me give you your thumbs up. So there you go, the latest social network out there. Get it before someone gets your name, because right now anyone can get any name. So if you've been a certain name on all your social media, you want to get it as soon as possible. And then you will have your very own Peach account of your own. A simple undo there. Maybe colors next time. I Peach Peach. Once you get connections, you will have notifications. So at the top right corner, notifications. Nothing's going on just yet, but as soon as you connect with us, you will fun content. So remember, PMD Interactive and VM Campos on Peach. Hopefully this quick look at the new Peach social network piques your interest. Basically iOS users at the moment, but eventually, of course, it'll go on to Android, other platforms, so get in on the ground floor as soon as you can. This has been Victor Campos from PMD Interactive. See you on Peach.